Children's Day speech in English. Good morning, everyone. My name is Maris, and today I am going to speak about Children's Day. In India, Children's Day is celebrated on November 14th every year. It is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister. He loved children very much, and children lovingly called him Chacha Nehru, Chachaji. Children's Day is a fun and happy day for all of us. Schools have games, songs, and special programs to celebrate. This day reminds us that every child is special and deserves love and care. On this Children's Day, let us all promise to study well, be kind, and make our country proud. Thank you and happy Children's Day.